Here in the bog of Western Ireland, the bog is a mysterious place of very deep energy. It is a liminal place where land meets water, where land is composed of thousands of years of decomposed forest and plant life. It's a magical zone, a magical place, where the people here believe that spirits and fairies live. It's also a source of energy, of fuel, the peat. This is a time where we can release and compost also our negative energy, any energy that isn't ours, to release it into this potent earth. It's a place where negativity can be brought forth, or anything that you wish not to carry anymore in your energy field, to bring it through you, through your feet, to compost it back into this earth, to be reused as pure source energy. This is a land of love, of emotion, that fills the senses and takes you into a different state of mind, outside of the rational and into the realm of the emotional. This is a place of cleansing, of deep communion with the spirit of land and of the self. Breathe in the beauty of this place. The magic that exudes from this energy of this land. Breathe it in and breathe it out, knowing that Mother Earth is here to support us, to help balance us and ground us as energy beings, so that we can allow our life force to move through us more freely without becoming blocked. And we can release energy how it is designed to move through us. Breathing in and breathing out. Thank you, Mother Earth. May it be so.